Hello everyone, once again I'm Iftikhar. In today's video I'll show you how to install Microsoft Office 2024 from official website. So here's the in this video I'll explain everything as easy as possible. So first thing, we have to come on this website and to download this thing. So okay, let's again. So first we just Office deployment tool, search in here, and you see is the first link, and click on the first link and you can see this page. Okay, so here is the select your language. It's by default is English, so click on the download and it's downloaded. Okay, so here's the downloaded, and then we have to first just extract this deployment tool. So copy it from here. Okay, so comes here in local disk C, and here you need to open a folder, name it Office 2024. Okay, so and put it here, the Office 2024. Okay, so and click on the next and continue, and you have to location, same folder, Office, and yes, Office 2024. We have to find the exact location, Office 2024. Here is okay, so find it here, something Office configuration in exe file. There's two, so now we can delete this here. Okay, so here you can find, I can say that here you find the two folder. One is configuration Office this, and one is the setup exe. Both this have to be in here, and you can delete this option. Okay, so next thing is, and now we have to create our Office customization tool. So now again go on the browser and Office customization tool, and search Office customization tool, and go again the first link. Okay, so it brings you the Office config office.com and deployment setting this page, and now we have to we have to create some so here is that release. First we have to our operating system is 32-bit and system, in my case this is 64-bit. Okay, and then Office suite you have to create yours. So I'm going with the Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024, this option. Okay, so here Visio project and everything leave it by default. Okay, so select this version. You can select your latest version. So if you're new and don't sure about your version, so you can just keep it the latest version. And another thing is here the apps option, you can go with by toggle on and off. You can install, and here so the Skype for business is not needed in 2025 6 Skype already removed from Microsoft, so not needed. So everything I keep it everything by default and click on next, and here is our primary language. Okay, so in English United States, English United States. So in your case you can use primary language, and you can also select your additional language if you want to go create any other language. So you can, for example, if you're Bulgaria and Arabic, and if you want to another language, so Arabic install, so you can do it. So I'm not doing this for right now, so you have to just cancel. Okay, okay, so you can go with that and click on next. Okay, so here is, I think it's okay, so keep it by default as it is, and click on next, and here okay, everything is fine, so click on next, and here yes, Officer and KMS must be in here. Okay, and click on next, and okay, click on next. I think everything okay, and finish. Click on finish. Okay, so you see everything is okay, and now here we click on the export button, and we have to save it in our XML format. Okay, so just click on the second option and click on OK, and if I say check this accept the terms and file name. Okay, leave as a by default and click on export. Okay, so our configuration and XML file also be downloaded, so click on here and copy is, and okay, so come to our Office 2024 folder and paste it here. Okay, you will find 3 folders. One is configuration, XML, certificates, and others. Okay, so our deployment tools and configuration XML file is ready. Now we have to go install it by our CMD. So search the CMD and don't enter. We have to that's the important, we have to run our CMD with run as administrator, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so click on the right button and click on the run as administrator, or here from administrator. Okay, if you run from administrator and you see the Windows system 32, that's a setting. So here we have to first define our folder. So here is CD C colon, and we have to the backslash. Okay, don't use the front slash. Sometimes front slash make some errors, so for the saver use you have to use first the backslash. Okay, and you see the Office 2024 and okay, so we are in our folder Office 2024. Now we have to write our command set of file, and now you can use the front slash and configuration .xml. Okay, so setup /configure -configuration.xml. Okay, and click on the enter. Your Microsoft operating system has been working and starting to installing, and okay, within a few seconds. Okay, so our Microsoft Office is starting to download. So when the download will be finished, I will come back to you and come back in here and see you is it work perfectly or not. So right now, it's a goodbye. And you have seen the finishing message in here. So you can check we can check this our word. So we type in the word and you can see our word app and just check it here, work perfectly. So Office 2024 and it's a layout and everything is work perfectly. So that's all of it. So thank you very much for this in here. So see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.